Hi, today we're going to be cooking a low-carb chicken and zucchini tortilla lasagna. So this has the feel of a cheat meal because it is a lasagna, but without any of the heavy carbs. No wheat, no tortilla, no corn chips, none of that, but plenty of oozy cheese and delicious flavors. Let's get started. Step 1. Roast the zucchini. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees with the fan. Halve the zucchini through the equator. Slice each half into 1 centimeter thick slices. And arrange the zucchini slices on a lined baking tray. Drizzle with oil and sprinkle with salt and roast in the oven for 20 minutes. Step 2. Prep the filling. So meanwhile, peel and finely chop the red onion and garlic. Rinse and drain the sweet corn kernels. Step 3. Fry the filling. Heat the pan with a drizzle of oil over a high heat. Once hot, add the chicken mince and the red onion with a pinch of salt and fry for 5 minutes. Then add the garlic, corn, taco seasoning, tomato paste and black pepper. Fry for another 1 or 2 minutes. Add the measured water and simmer for 2 minutes. Finally, fold in the sour cream. Step 4. Layer the lasagna. Pour half of the chicken mince mixture into a baking dish. Top with half of the roasted zucchini slices. Repeat this process with the remaining chicken mince and zucchini slices. Top with the tomato salsa, followed by the grated cheddar. Step 5. Bake the lasagna. So bake the tortilla lasagna for 15 minutes or until the cheese is golden and bubbling. Rest for 5 minutes before serving and portion the lasagna using a sharp, thin-bladed knife. I really hope you enjoyed cooking this meal with us. This is a cheat style lasagna, no carbs, absolutely fabulous with zucchini, a little bit of sour cream and cheddar cheese to give it that nice oozy lasagna feel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe on our channel. Bon appétit!